So for this practice, I want you to do this on your own, but I want you to make sure that you're showing, I'm going to do the first few with you because I want you to make sure that you're showing the proper steps, okay? Because that's what's going to be marked when I mark this on your test. So here we're going to do, we have addition, division, okay? These are negatives, not minuses. So that's a -4, -4. So I'm not going to do the addition first, so I need to keep track of that -4. Plus 20 divided by -4 gives me an answer of -5. I don't want to mix up that negative with a minus, so I put it in brackets. If I start at -4 and I go backwards 5, my answer is going to be -9. I go backwards on the number line. Okay, so here we have multiplication, addition, exponents. So what I want to do first is my exponents. So I get 64. The next is going to be the multiplication. So negative times negative is positive. So 3 times 4 is positive 12. And then the last step is the addition. And again, notice that whatever is not done has to be transferred to the next line. And that's very important. Okay. Again, that's the part that you'll be marked on. Okay, so we get a final answer of 76. Okay, here we're going to do brackets first. Okay, so we apply the brackets first. So -6, if I start at -6 and I subtract the negative, I'm adding or going to the right. Okay, so I'm going to go to the right 6, so I'm ending up at +2 or +2. Then we're going to divide by 2. Again, this is not add 2, this means +2. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so again, these are the steps. It's very important that you show steps. Okay, -4 plus 20 is 16. Okay, you need to make sure you transfer that divide by -4 to the next line. 16 can be put into 4 groups of 4. A positive divided by negative is going to give us a negative. Okay, so -4 works out to be the answer for that. Okay, so make sure that you do some practice here. You should pause this and do some practice. I'm going to show the steps for the last two, but make sure you try those on your own first. So pause the video, do those last two, and then you can continue with the video and you can see my solutions for the last two. Okay, so these last two here, we need to make sure we're doing brackets first. So brackets means I'm not going to do any of this work. Okay, now some of you may want to do the 2 times 3 in this step because there's a minus and minus here, so that needs to be done before any of these things on the outside. So we could technically do the 2 times 3 in this step. But I'm just going to do the brackets first. So I'm going to do -8 plus 2 is +6. Now I'm going to do the multiplication part of this. So I'm going to do -6. Again, it's important to keep track of that 7, keep track of that minus, keep track of this minus. 2 times -6 is -12. Okay, so now this is integer addition. 7 minus 6 is 1. Minus negative, we can just say is plus. So 1 plus 12 is going to be +13. Okay, and again, we want to show the steps. Okay, here we're going to do the brackets first. So we need to keep track of that 1. We need to keep track of that minus. 3 times. Negative times negative is positive. So that means -3 times -3. So that's going to be +9. 3 times 3 is +9. Okay. Now, just on a side note here, -3 squared is equal to -9. -3 all squared is equal to +9. Okay, this is 3 squared negative. This is -3 times -3. Okay, and they're different, so it's really important that you recognize that they are different. Okay, back to this question here. The next step is going to be the brackets. So again, I need to make sure I show that plus 1 here because that has not been done yet. Same with the times 3. 9 plus 9 is 18. Again, I need to notice that that 1 is going to be done last, so it has to be shown in every single row. 3 times 18 is going to give us 54. So 1 minus 54 gives us negative 53. Okay, so that's the final answer for that one.